Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making hearty and tasty restaurant style chicken soup. This soup is hot and spicy and it has all the goodness of a chicken soup. Before we start making our chicken soup, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video and help to grow our channel. To make the soup, here in a saucepan, I have taken 1 liter or 1000 ml of water. To the water, I am adding 1 large onion roughly chopped, 1 bay leaf, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger that is roughly chopped, 6 to 8 peppercorns, 200 grams of chicken. You can use boneless or regular chicken. Here I have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover this with a lid and boil this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain this soup into a bowl through a sieve. The shot was very smoky, so I have not included it. I have simply strained this soup into the bowl using a soup strainer. Now take the chicken pieces out into a plate. If you have used bones to make the soup, discard the bones. Now shred the boneless chicken pieces using a fork or using your fingers. As it is very hot now, I am using a fork to shred the chicken pieces. The chicken is all shredded and ready now. Keep this aside and now let's start making our soup. To make the soup in a curry pan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is a little hot, I have added 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute for 1 minute. After a minute, here I am adding half cup of chopped carrot. Chop the carrot into fine pieces, and now I am adding half cup of chopped cabbage. Saute this for 1 minute as well. After a minute, add in our shredded chicken to the pan. Saute the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Sauteing the chicken pieces along with the veggies will give a nice crunch to both veggies and the chicken. After you are done sauteing the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes, add in the strained chicken water or chicken broth to the pan that we have strained earlier. Now let's add our spices. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. For sauces, I am adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. You can add ketchup if you like. I am skipping the ketchup today. You can totally skip the sauces if you want to keep the chicken soup on the healthier side, but if you want the taste, I recommend adding sauces. Cover this with a lid and let it boil for 3 minutes. While the soup is boiling, now let's make our cornflour slurry. If you like thinner soups, you can totally skip the cornflour slurry. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix this well to make a lump-free mixture, and our cornflour slurry is ready. Add this to the soup gradually and mix it well. If you don't add the cornflour slurry, the soup will be slightly thinner, and if you like thinner consistency of your soup, you can totally skip the cornflour slurry. Boil the soup for a minute more or until the raw smell of the cornflour goes away. After that, reduce the flame to the lowest. Here I have 1 egg white. Pour in the egg white and continuously keep stirring the soup. Remember to keep the flame at the lowest at this point. The egg white will get cooked immediately after you drop it into the soup, and it is important to keep stirring the soup so that the egg white won't be concentrated in one area. Finish off with freshly chopped coriander leaves on top. If you have them at hand, you can even add some spring onion greens at this point. Serve this soup hot and enjoy. This soup is very hearty and comforting. If you have a little congestion or cold or to build your immunity, have this soup once in a week. The best thing about this soup is it can be enjoyed by all the members of the family, be it elder or younger. Do try this tasty chicken soup recipe and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.